Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be hanging a LED light on this outdoor back porch. Um, we're going to be swapping over from hanging ceiling fan out to this flush mount LED light. Numerous reasons. You're going to be saving a lot of money with LED light fixtures, and it's going to be so much tighter to the ceiling. Nothing's going to be hanging, so it's going to be a better situation all the way around. Um, we've already taken down our ceiling fan, so one of our first steps is going to be testing to see if the power's off. So we're going to take our non-contact tester and we're going to touch it to the black wire, white wire, no power running through anything. We're going to be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and drop the old mount for our ceiling fan. Go. And now we can start mounting the hardware up here for the LED light itself. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what your mounting hardware is going to look like. It's going to be a bracket that's going to be on kind of a swivel here. It's going to have slide holes on either side, and then it's going to have fixed mount holes. Bring it close so you can take a look. So your fixed mount here, and then your slide here. Going to have them all the way around, so go ahead and pick up the top bracket, and that's going to be the one that you're going to mount to the box itself. So you're going to go ahead and see the slide. This one here is going to be on top, so we're going to mount this one here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now we can see our swivel. We can move it to any position we need to. We'll go ahead and we'll trim up this wire and get it ready so that we can mount the plate for our LED. The only thing left to do is to take our hot feed and our neutral and go ahead and splice them together. For that, we're going to be using these 3M wire nuts. They've got a nice wide screw feed on the inside and a rubber cowl along the outside to keep everything nice and watertight and safe. Keep everything, nice and secure. So let's go ahead and mount our hot wire together. Go ahead and twist that in. Put your wire nut on. Give it several nice twists. Go ahead and do the same to the neutral. Go ahead and feed that together. Nice twist. And then you can go ahead and start fitting onto your mounting screws. Okay, so that's about how it mounts. We're going to go ahead and tighten up these screws real quick. Snug everything down. Where it's not going to move. And then we'll go ahead and mount our cover plate, and then we'll go on to the dimmer switch. As with these LED lights, you're going to need a special dimmer switch. They will not function with a standard dimmer. So we'll go ahead and do that after we mount this cover plate, and we'll take a look how it looks. Okay, so your cover plate on these flush mount units pretty much just overlays the entire unit. Fit up in there, and then it has these toggles on the side. You go ahead and close. Sits in there nice and flush. So now that we have the fixture itself mounted, we're going to go ahead and move over to the light switch and start that. So our switch is mounted in our box now. We're going to go ahead and put our waterproof cover plate on. We're going to make sure that we definitely put the waterproof gasket on the inside. That's going to keep all moisture out of there, you know, all of the elements itself, just from getting at this switch. And make sure that our gasket is safe on the inside here. Just a big block of foam that's going to wrap the outside of the plate when the lid is closed. So that looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and begin to install this. This can be a little tricky, just lining up all your holes. And keeping the lid itself open at the time. There's a lot of different versions of these. We went with a flip closed. Let's see here. Oh. Okay, so now we have our switch. It's protected all the way around. Dimmer's over here. On and off is the toggle. It's closed, it's waterproof. Let's take a look at how that light actually looks and works. Okay, so we decided to wait until nightfall here, kind of to really show you how bright this light's going to be. Nice, natural, clean light. We've got our Milwaukee rocket light here lighting up the area right now, but we're going to go ahead and turn that off, and we're going to show you what the light is going to look like in the dark. So let's go ahead and turn this off now. We'll turn on the big light. Nice bright, lightens up the whole area. We'll work the dimmer. Goes down nice and easy. Gives you a nice, ambience out here. You're sitting out here on the deck, nice night like tonight. You can sit out here and adjust your light level for how you want it. Let's bring it back up. All the way. Perfect. So, one of the real benefits to LED lighting is going to be the cost. Cost and energy level. To run two 75-watt lights is going to cost you about $18 a year, where a light like this is going to cost you around $4 a year. That's, average hours per day, that sort of thing. Really going to be an energy efficient choice for lighting. This model here is about 2100 lumens. It's not too bright where it's really going to knock you out. It's just the right level. So we're going to go ahead and pack everything up. This job's done. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.